Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can delete photos from your OneDrive storage. So let's get right into it. Now, OneDrive is Microsoft's proprietary cloud storage service, pretty much identical almost to Google Drive. It is, of course, not directly identical, however, it is pretty much the same. And what you can do, of course, is you can upload files to make backups of them or to just transfer them between devices easier and just upload them to the internet for safekeeping. Now, what you can do, of course, as well is upload pictures, which I have done. If I go into my pictures folder right here, as you can see, I have uploaded some pictures, which I have used for other tutorials in the past. And if I go into photos, as you can see, these photos will be here. Now, what you want to do to delete any of these photos is pretty much the same as deleting any other files. I mean, you can go to your files and go into pictures and delete anything from here, just as you would any other file. However, you can also go to photos and do pretty much the same thing. As you can see here under all photos are pretty much all the photos which I have uploaded, and to delete them, just select any one which you want and just press the delete button up top. Now, you can recover them from the recycle bin for 30 days. As you can see here, you can also select all of them if you would so choose by date and just delete them that way as well. You can pretty much do the same with albums. I mean, you can create a new album, let's just say test, and add any photos which you would like, let's say all of these, and that album will be created, and you can just bulk delete the entire album if you so chose. Now, this won't delete your pictures, this will only delete the album. However, that is also a option that you have. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.